Hey guys, I'm Freya with WTI and we're about to get real up close and personal. My children get lice. I discovered the Licefreee Spray probably close to 8 years ago. I wanted to find something that was homeopathic because it really bothered me thinking of putting a really harsh chemical on my young children's scalp. So I wasn't sure if it would work well because it's homeopathic, but I can tell you this is the only thing we will use. I have, in desperate measures, not been able to find this before and used another brand. The chemicals were super strong and it did not work as well. Super easy to use. You literally just spray your hair, let it dry, and then you just rinse it out. I'm not saying spray your kids in the eyes, but I have accidentally sprayed myself in the eye and it didn't hurt at all. It's the next morning. I let that dry overnight, just washed my hair like normal this morning. So this smells like black licorice, which I personally love the smell of, but after a shampoo and conditioner, you can't smell it at all. It is gentle enough that I'm going to use this again in a couple days. That's sooner than the recommended, but because it's homeopathic, I don't mind spraying it. It doesn't dry your scalp out. It doesn't dry your hair out. It's awesome. Treating me and my daughter only took about this much up, so just keep it in your medicine cabinet for those what ifs, and I'll hope it never happens to you. That's my point of view.